Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make a paper airplane. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna need one piece of paper. You're gonna fold it in half lengthwise, just like that. Then you're gonna unfold it and take these corners and fold them down to the crease. You're gonna do the same with the other side. Now these corners, you're gonna fold this down so these corners are like a point, sort of. Might not understand it, but this is trash. Then you're gonna take this corner and you're gonna fold it down to about an inch over this point, so about right there. You're gonna do that about an inch over it, about there. And then do the same with the other side. And it'll work best if you use printer paper, in my opinion. Unless you can make it bigger. Now this flap right here that's left, about an inch under these, you're going to fold that up like this to the crease, and then whichever side this little flap is on, you're going to fold that down so that crease is like that. And then that'll be your little handle. Then the top of that like handle spot right about there, you're gonna fold, that's where you're gonna fold these. So then you're gonna fold those about to there. You're gonna crease it, yeah, about there. Crease it down, and then you're gonna flip it over. Continue that thing with the other side. And then for this kind of paper airplane that I just made, this kind you're actually gonna want to fold these wings up like this, not down, like not like normal other paper airplanes where you'll look down like this. You're gonna fold it up like that, and then I'm gonna show you how to fly. This one might not be the best, but it's pretty good. And that's my paper airplane.